Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Embed Plus for YouTube plugin to place a YouTube live stream on your WordPress website. This is useful if you have, let's say, a church or a streaming event that happens on a regular basis and you don't want to manually copy the YouTube video embed code and put it on the website every single time. So there's a plugin here, I'll put in the links, called Embed Plus for YouTube. This is a free plugin and I've already gone in and installed it here onto the back end of an upcoming website I'm working on. I'm just going to activate it. Alright, so now you're going to see this notice about some API changes that's going to check every 50 minutes rather than every 30 seconds. It's not really, it's something good to keep a note on, but you don't have to worry about it too much. So on the back end now, you will see YouTube free. All right. The next, so you have a lot of different options, but for the purposes of putting it on a website, the key thing you want to start off with is the API key. All right. So I have my YouTube API key. Now, how do you get that? There's a handy link right here that will give you instructions on how to go about that process. The first thing is that you want to go to the Cloud Console website from Google. All right, and I will just show you what that looks like on my own here. So I do have a number of projects for my server. All right, you can create a new project. You want to name it something that is going to be similar or familiar to you. So in this case, I'll just call it Test Church. All right, I'm going to create this new project. It is going to take a while to get started. Okay, so now I want to select my new project, and now you see it's changed right here. Alright, so now I can go look for APIs. I can do a search for the YouTube Data V3 API. Alright, I want to now enable it. Okay, then you want to create credentials. I'm now going to select the API, and it's going to be YouTube Data API v3. It's going to be public data. All right, and now I have an API key. You want to restrict the key just so that other people, like potentially nefarious viewers, want to copy it to then use on your website. I have mine set to be blocked by IP address, and I use SiteGround, so I can just easily go to my dashboard and select server details, get an IP address. Once that is created, do it. So I'll add my IP address. Here, hit done. I want to restrict the key so it will only be accessible for the YouTube Data API v3. And I'm going to select that again just to let it know which API I'm using. I should be able to hit done now. And now I have an API key that is activated and restricted. I can copy this key, go back into the YouTube settings, and paste it in here. Okay, so once that's done, because I'm using Elementor, I can go to the wizard, and this will show you how, with the plugin installed in your text editor, you will now see a YouTube button to add that media, whether it's a video, a single video, a live stream, or channel, for example. Because I'm using Elementor, there are instructions here, but I can just show you on I have a watch page that I'm setting up. We'll just add a new row. I'm going to use the text editor. Drop it in. Let's get rid of this dummy text. Now you will see YouTube. Oh, here it is, sorry. So I want to embed a live stream or premium video. Right, so now I have my channel-based live stream recommended. So now I want to put my channel information in. Sorry, I'm going to go here. Copy the link address because so here, right, this is what I'm looking for, the channel ID. Sometimes if you click on the channel itself, you get the vanity URL, but you want the actual full channel ID. I'm going to go back in, paste it, get channel. It's now found a channel. I'm going to copy this in some embed code or short code. Now let's hit preview. And now it says live in 4 hours. So this is an upcoming video for me to use. If you like the video, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next time.